coming from their Instagram post, KTM Factory Racing, quote, saying, sidelined for Supercross. Unfortunate news for Marvin Musquin after future evaluation of his early season injury revealed a broken scaphoid. Everyone at the Red Bull KTM Factory Racing wishes the Frenchman a fast and full recovery. Now, obviously, Musquin only has a Supercross only contract, so he's out for this year, well, this season, whatever you want to call it. He's not going to be racing motocross, so you're not going to be seeing him until next year at least. And that's if he doesn't retire or whatever goes on with that. But it's kind of one of those things, he's only got a factory, or obviously Red Bull has a seat for him, or has a ride for him. So the question becomes, do they pull somebody up? Do they give a guy a factory fill-in ride? Or who knows? But honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of Musquin. I'll be blatantly honest with that. He's been on the same bike as Dungey and Webb, who have both won multiple championships in the same amount of time that he's been there. Webb has won more Supercross races than he has in less time. So personally, I, as a Red Bull KTM fan, I'd like to see that ride go to somebody else at this point. He's getting older. He's not winning. You got to move on at some point. And yes, he's been consistent for them, but if he's already only on a Supercross contract, just either get rid of the bike, get rid of that ride, save yourself the money and the time and the hassle of it, or give it to somebody else if you want to keep a three rider team, somebody that'll ride both Supercross and motocross and just keep everything going. But in the comments below, you tell me, do you think he's going to be back next year? Do you think his contracts or his career season, whatever, is going to be over? He's going to be back with a different team? Whatever it is, make sure to comment down below. As you're going down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because playing the YouTube game algorithm, everything helps, and I appreciate it a lot. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.